I'm teaching you how to dance the Payaso de Rodeo. I guess it translates to clown from the rodeo. Guess, I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and draw out the shape of the dance. There is a shape to it. So here's your starting point, right where you're standing, wherever you are, far left of the group, right next to the DJ, whatever. You're gonna go 2 steps to the right and then 2 steps to the left, okay? So right, left. Then you're gonna go down 2 steps, then back up 2 steps, but once you hit that middle point, you're gonna go ahead and do a little turn, and now you're up here, okay? You ended off there. From the right, you're gonna go to the left 2 steps, down 2 steps, up 2 steps, turn, you're here. From the right, you're gonna go to the left, down, up, turn, you're there, okay? One more time, you're here at the right, you're gonna go left, down, up, turn, you're there. So this is pretty much the shape that you wanna get to. When you're dancing it, that's pretty much what you're looking like, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and face you first, but once I turn my back, it's easier for you to copy the steps, okay? So starting with my right leg, once the song starts, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, 1, 2, okay? So go ahead and starting from the back so you can start copying or start, yeah. All right, so the music starts, to the right, to the left, back 2, forward 1, 2, turn 3, 4. Okay? So the way the tempo of the song is 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2. It's gonna go that quick. It can be quicker depending on what version the party has it on. It could be slower too, but that's pretty much the idea. Right, left, go back, forward, turn right. Okay, so wherever your leg is about to step on, you should be going that way, okay? So here I'm gonna go to my right, stepping with my right leg, okay? 1, 2. Here I am with my left, going to my left. 1, 2. Back, my foot is already ready. 1, 2. With my left leg stepping forward. 1, 2. My right leg is going to turn. 3, 4. So you're pretty much landing on your right leg and your left is going to be going to your left now. And that's pretty much it, okay? Starting to the left, back down, back up, turn, left leg, right leg going back, left leg going forward, right. That's pretty much it. Go ahead and start with music for you. Now we're going to go into advanced if you already are past beginners and you end up learning it right away. So this is pretty much, instead of taking 2 steps forward going back up, you're going to go ahead and do a little jump. Right, left, and then here. Okay? So it's going to look something like right, left, here. Okay? So you're going to go ahead and go to your right, to your left, go back, hit, and 1. To your right, to your left, back, hit, and go. That's pretty much it. It's gonna go super quick, okay? Right, left, back, hit, hit, right, left, back, hit, hit, right, left, back, hit, hit, right, left, back, hit, hit.
Cruzando la frontera me encontré con él. Era un tipo medio raro, pero me cayó bien. Me dijo viejo que te espero cuando llegar al rodeo. Te espera allá.
If you learn this dance, great, but I would say learn it in the shoes that you plan on wearing to when you hear this song. It could be weddings, quinceañeras, random get-togethers, and you might be dressed up, but you haven't practiced in your heels. So, gonna go ahead and practice in your heels.
Animalito, ven, ven y sígueme, verás lo que vas a aprender. No ves que solo yo participo muy listo, muy gracioso, soy payaso de rodeo.
Hey guys, you already learned it super quick. It's pretty much super simple if you just don't even think about it. Just keep saying left, right, back, forward. Whatever works for you. See you later, guys. I hope you learned.
Espera allá. Me dijo con certeza que